Class English Most Important Active Passive Voice. In this video, you know about important active passive voice. First, the mother loves the children. Second, they are buying this house. She gave me 5 films. 4. Why did she write such a letter? 5. They had gained nothing. He will write a letter. 7. We shall have killed the snake. 8. She likes apple. 9. The boy is climbing the wall. 10. We did not hear a sound. 11. The board has given me a gold medal. 12. We use milk for making cheese. 13. Why is he mending the chair? 14. The driver opened the door of the car. 15. She has not beaten the dog. 16. She bought 5 video films. 17. She was teaching the students. 18. They have bought a horse. 19. The teacher was helping the student. 20. Why were they beating the boys? 21. They have not done their job. 22. A car ran away an old man. 23. He will give you a box of chocolates. 24. We shall have finished our work by March next. 25. He took away my books. 26. They caught the thief. 27. The boy makes the picture. 28. They had not done their homework. 29. The doctor asked her to stay in bed. If you like this video, subscribe my channel, like our video. Thank you.